Mediocre Man channel, putting on our vinyl orange letters on the Jeep, seeing how that looks. Pretty easy, just peel it off, put it on, press it. Luckily I have my own in-house stalker who follows me around, giving me a hard time.
Go put gas in my car.
What was your comment you said before?
I think that these Jeeps are the American dolls for big men. He's getting new accessories and decorations for his Jeep every day. He wants to take his Jeep to a tea party. Ooh, that's pretty cool.
There we go.
Is it smooth?
That looks nice.
That does look nice. It's pretty cool.
All right. Got morning face here. All right. Should we do the rest?
Well, I mean, if
Or
you're
should we just do
wondering,
like one?
I don't think
That
you
looks
should
cool.
just do one.
Should I keep going with it, or?
You
I think
should
it looks pretty good.
with just one.
No.
Yeah, it does look good. It's just loud.
Loud is cool, man.
Okay. I mean,
Hassling me, bro.
it's clearly a Jeep. Everyone knows it's a Jeep.
Dude, I like the orange highlights. I can't get enough of the orange. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't.
Maybe we
I
can
love
get
it.
like a mandala stencil to go on the
Oh,
side
God.
here.
Fuck. Do you have other stuff to do?
Yes, I'm gonna put this
Follow
phone.
me around everywhere I go. You have no idea.
Yes, this poor man is followed around constantly.
Oh, man.
This shall be a riveting episode.
Sure, I'll get a good comment from Derek. There we go. That looks cool, man. Need to get a t-shirt to press on.
Have you kept a log of how much money you're spending on all these editions? Just out of curiosity.
I mean, that's.
I'm sure
like
your
literally-
followers would want to know.
Yeah, it's like $12 for this, and it looks super cool.
$12 for that. How much
Yeah.
for the American flag over here?
$24.
And
Oh no,
these-
that one? That was $7.
How about these little hangy holder things over here?
$12.
Each or
Yep.
for all of them?
I think it's $12 for the pair.
Okay, and what about these little orange plastic stickers everywhere? The
Orange.
trim,
Oh,
the little.
It's all minor shit. Compared to your mascara or face powder or whatever the hell you spend money on.
I don't spend money on anything.
Yeah, you do. Your makeup is
organic
expensive.
fruit to feed your children. That's it.
Not even mine. You can't prove it.
Don't put gas in my car. I'm leaving.
Let me finish this. This is looking really good.
All right.
We'll put this on fast speed so they don't have to listen to your nonsense. Stop it. You're gonna even mess up. This looks really good. I'm really happy with how this is coming out.
People don't know that you originally wanted an orange Jeep.
If I wanted an orange Jeep, I would have gotten an orange Jeep. They
Don't
make
you
orange
remember
Jeeps.
the orange Jeep? Was it orange or yellow? I can't remember
That
now.
one was nacho, but I like.
Nacho, yes.
Yeah, it's the pumpkin. That's the actual orange one.
Mm,
That one's cool.
no.
They don't make that in 2021.
Thank God.
I could have gotten one anyway. This one's a little high, but whatever.
Looks good. Can't tell. A little bit of them.
Yeah, it's
Just smooth it. There, it's fine. It's fine.
That looks great.
Glenn Jonas seems very pleased with himself.
I wonder if it's gonna last for the car wash, though. I question that.
It will. You know how I know?
Nope.
I got these.
Wait, they gave me a D. Yeah.
I get these decals for Jag's water bottles, and I can run them through the dishwasher, and they don't come off. I mean, it is really bright.
That's okay because I have a big Gladiator one coming, so this is gonna
Oh
all
my
get
God.
removed eventually.
What?
Yeah.
God. All right, final unveiling.
Oh shit. Really impressive. Damn it. For some reason this P's not sticking as well. All right, here it is, finished product. I think it came out pretty darn good. I like the way that pops.